Rafters 101 with Miss L. So today we're going to be looking at the ridge board cuts, how to set up the wall plate with a 2x4, and how to set up the actual rafter. For this lesson, we are going to have a 5-foot wide base, a 4x12 slope, and a 4-inch overhang. There are 3 types of cuts. There's the plumb cut, which is featured first, which is an angular cut, a bird's mouth cut, which is where the overhang will sit, and the ridge board cut is where the 2 sides will meet. Here is another look at the plumb cuts, the bird's mouth, and the ridge board cut. A ridge board cut can also be a plumb cut. So we need a speed square, and our slope was 4 and 12. So you find the 4 on each side and the 12 on each side. You either use both inside or you use both outsides. You do not use one of each. Here is an example of what you will be using. Again, use either both inside or both outside. So first, you're going to lay your ruler down at the 4 and 12 and place the ridge board cut line. This is your beginning angle line that will be represented throughout the board. You then make a green mark at the 12-inch line, and then you place your speed square back onto the board and make another green mark. From there, you place the speed square on there one more time and get ready for your overhang cut. So your overhang cut is going to be 6 inches. Since the speed square, the 4-inch half, is already 1.5 inches, you only need to measure over 4.5 to get 6 inches. Because our base is 5 feet, you need to divide 5 by 2 and you get 2.5 feet. Next is our bird's mouth cut. So for this cut, you take the 12 inches and you divide it into thirds, and we only want 1/3. So that is 3.5 inches to have a complete overhang with a 2x4. Finally, we have our ridge board cut, where we have to have it at 3/4 of an inches over because of a 2x4. A 2x4 is actually 1.5 inches. So to make it flush against the plate, you need to cut 3/4 off. So we take the measurement, move our speed square, and make another line to where it would be cut. And there is your rafter. Get ready to be doing this in class today. You will be each getting a 2x6.